After you submit your document, the ETD team will review it within 2 working days. Working days means Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, no holidays. Within 2 working days, you'll receive either an approval email or an email detailing corrections you must make to your document to conform to our formatting guidelines. You also won't receive the approval email until you pay the $60 fee. Submission deadlines vary by school. You should keep in mind that your school submission deadline will be 2 working days before their approval deadline to allow us time for review. If you have any questions about this deadline, you should reach out to your school's academic coordinator. Keep in mind also that document review will take longer closer to deadlines, especially for large schools such as KSAS. It's a good idea to submit your document as soon as you can make the changes necessitated by your committee. Remember, we're only checking your formatting, not your content. We don't check for spelling and grammar, and we don't require a particular style for citations. So long as your document conforms to our formatting requirements, your document will be approved. If your document does need corrections, the email will specify what changes need to be made and will provide a link to upload the corrected file. You won't need to go through the whole submission process again. Once your document is approved, your approval email will contain specific instructions on where to go from there as you complete your graduation requirements. As always, if you have any questions about the ETD process, feel free to email etd-support@jh.edu.